Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you're constantly getting system UI has stopped error on your Xiaomi POCO M8 Pro. First of all, open settings on your smartphone. Then you're gonna have to go to apps menu. Then in apps menu, go to system UI. So find system UI on this list. Here it is. Then select clear cache. OK. And once you clear the cache of system UI, you're gonna have to restart your device. To do that, press power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe the circle down to reboot and wait until your device is restarted. After that, the problem should be gone. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.